welcome to our channel. Today we learn standard 9th science unit 15 carbon and its compounds lesson la book bag answer fullave paakalam. Okay, first choose the correct answer. First one, a phenomenon in which one element exists in different modification in same physical state is called. Answer four option kuduthirukanga. Which answer correct? Answer B, allotrophy. Second one, carbon forms large number of organic compounds due to. Answer decatenation. Next, third one, Nandini brings his lunch every day to school in a plastic container which has resin code number 5. The container is made of. Answer C, polypropylene. Next, fourth one, plastics made of polycarbonate PC and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene ABS are made of resin code. Answer D, 7. Next, fifth one, graphene is one atom thick layer of carbon obtained from. Answer C, graphite. Next, sixth one, the legal measures to prevent plastic solution come under the Protection Act 1988. Answer C, environment. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, dash named carbon. Answer Ontine Lavoisier. Second one, Buckminster fluorine contains dash carbon atoms. 60. Answer 60. Third one, compounds with same molecular formula and different structural formula are known as dash. Answer isomers. Next, fourth one, dash is a suitable solvent for sulfur. Answer carbon disulfide. Fifth one, there are dash plastic resin codes. Answer 7. Next is third Roman, match the following பார்க்கலாம். கொஸ்டின் நீங்கள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்று இந்த அல்கைன் பக்கிஃபால், நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஆண்ட்ரேஜம் ஆக்சிடேஷன் C60, கிராஃபின் டெர்மாகோல் ட்ரிபிள் பாண்ட் பர்னிங் பாலிஸ்டரின் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதோட ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? விச் ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் alkyne, answer triple bond. Second one androgen, answer graphene. Third one C60, answer buckifol. Fourth one thermocol, answer polystyrene. Fifth one burning, answer oxidation. Okay, next fourth Roman, answer briefly பார்க்கலாம். First question, differentiate graphite and diamond. Answer difference between diamond and graphite இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. இதான் ஆன்சர் உங்கள் புக்ஸில் இருக்கும், நீங்கள் பார்த்துக்கலாம். Each carbon has 4 covalent bonds. Each carbon has 3 covalent bonds. Hard, heavy and transparent. Soft, slippery to touch and object. It has tetrahedral units linked in 3 dimensions. It has planar layers of hexagon units. It is a non-conductor of heat and electricity. It is a conductor of heat and electricity. Next, second one, write all possible isomers of C4H10. பார்க்கலாமா? இதோட ஆன்சர் என்ன அப்படின்னா, butane is an alkyne with 4 carbon atoms, so molecular formula is C4H10. It has 2 isomers, N-butane and isobutane. N-butane and isobutane. இதோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. இதான் அதோட N-butane and isobutane ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் வந்து ட்ரா பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு third question, carbon forms only covalent compounds. Why? Answer, carbon forms strong bonds with most other elements because of its small size, enabling the nucleus to hold on to the shared pairs of electrons strongly. Losing or gaining 4 electrons is not possible due to energy conservation in carbon. It needs to gain or lose 4 electrons to attain a noble gas configuration. Hence, it shares electrons to form covalent bonds. Next, fourth one, define allotrophy. Answer, allotrophy is a property by which an element can exist in more than one form that are physically different and chemically similar. Next, fifth one, why are one-time use and throwaway plastics harmful? Answer, one-time use and throwaway plastics cause short and long-term environmental damage. Half of all the plastics made today is used for throwaway plastic items. These plastics block drains and pollute water bodies. One-time use plastic causes health problems for humans, plants and animals. Next, answer in detail. First question, what is catenation? How does carbon form catenated compounds? Answer, catenation is binding of an element to itself or with other elements through covalent bonds to form open chain or closed chain compounds. Carbon is the most common element which undergoes catenation and forms long chain compounds. Carbon atoms link repeatedly to itself through covalent bond to form linear chain, branched chain or ring structure. ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. பிரான்ச்டு செயின் இதான் ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன். இந்த இமேஜ் இதுனா பிரான்ச்டு செயின். ஓகேவா, இதை நல்லா ட்ரா பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் என்னது, லீனியர் செயின். திஸ் இஸ் ஒன். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ரிங் செயின், இதான் தேர்ட் டைப் வந்து ரிங் செயின். தான் 3 டைப்ஸ் இருக்குது. பிரான்ச்டு செயின், நெக்ஸ்ட்டு linear chain, next ring chain. The catenation in carbon. Okay, wow. This property of carbon itself is the reason for the presence of large number of organic carbon compounds. So organic chemistry essentially deals with catenated carbon compounds. For example, starch and cellulose contains chains of hundreds of carbon atoms. Even plastics we use in our daily life for macromolecules of catenated carbon compounds. Next, second one, what are the chemical reactions of carbon? Answer. First one, oxidation, reaction with oxygen. Carbon combines with oxygen to form its oxides like carbon monoxide CO and carbon dioxide CO2 with the evaluation of heat. Organic carbon compounds like hydrocarbon also undergo oxidation, form oxides and steam with the evaluation of heat and flame. This is otherwise called combustion. Equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்கமா. 2CS plus O2 give 2CO plus heat. Okay, next C plus O2 CO2 plus heat. Next CH4 plus 2O2 give CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. Good equation. Next reaction with steam. Second one, carbon reacts with steam to form carbon monoxide and hydrogen. This mixture is called water gas. This one, C plus H2O gives CO plus H2. Next, third one, reaction with sulfur. With sulfur, carbon forms its disulfide at high temperature. C plus 2 give 2S give CS2. Reaction with sulfur, this one. Next, reaction with metals. At elevated temperatures, carbon reacts with some metals like iron, tungsten, titanium, etc. to form their carbides. Tungsten plus carbon give tungsten carbide. This one. Okay, next third question. Name the 3 safer resin codes of plastics and describe their features. பார்க்கலாம். First answer வந்து resin code 2 வந்து HDPE. இதோட features என்ன வரும்? It is light, very strong and widely recycled. Second one, resin code 4 PELD, LLDPE. Features வந்து it is very flexible and soft but strong. Next, resin code 5 PP. It feels waxy or greasy. It is light and hard but scratches easily. This one, the 3 columns straight from 3 codes. Resin code 2, resin code 4, resin code 5. Okay, next sixth Roman higher order thinking tools பார்க்கலாம். First one, why do carbon exist mostly in combined state? Answer, carbon is found in both free state and combined state. There are millions of organic compounds of carbon. At the same time, carbon is constituent of many inorganic compounds. More than 5 million compounds are known at present. The number of carbon compounds alone is more than number of compounds of all the elements taken together, because carbon has some unique feature such as catenation, tetravalency, multiple bonds, isomerism, allotropy. Okay, next second one, when a carbon fuel burns in less aerated room, it is dangerous to stay there. Why? Answer, when carbon fuels undergo incomplete combustion, insufficient supply of oxygen, it results in the formation of carbon monoxide. It is released into the atmosphere from various sources like vehicle fuels, domestic fuels, industries, furnaces, etc. Cigarette smoking also is a source of carbon monoxide. When carbon fuel burns in less aerated room, it releases carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide is a toxic gas. It enters human body through breathing and affects the function of hemoglobin. Carbon monoxide displaces oxygen from hemoglobin and it stops its function, leading to death. Next, third one, explain how dioxins are formed, which plastic type they are linked to and why they are harmful to humans. Answer, burning PVC, polyvinyl chloride plastics. Plastic release dioxins, which are one of the most dangerous chemicals known to humans. Next, fourth one, Yuga wants to buy a plastic water bottle. She goes to the shop and sees 4 different kinds of plastic bottles with resin codes 1, 3, 5 and 7. Which ones should she buy? Why? Answer, she should buy plastic bottles with resin code number 5. Name, polypropylene, code PP. இட் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ரீசன் வந்து இட் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த சேஃபர் பிளாஸ்டிக்ஸ். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.